Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. As you can see, I have this really funny little person thing here, triangle man, right? His name is Mr. Multidivision. He's actually going to help us. So as long as you can draw him, or her, whatever gender you want to assign to Mr. or Mrs. Multidivision, fine by me, right? If you want to draw this thing, right? You can draw it on your quiz, you can draw it on your exam, and it will help you multiply and divide integers. So let's take a look. All right, so we have -6 times -2. So your first step is to just multiply. Just multiply it out. Don't worry about the signs. So 6 times 2 is 12. Next, we're going to use Mr. Multidivision to help us figure out our sign. So we have a -6. We're going to put our finger over the one negative, and we have a -2, so we're going to put our finger over the other negative, and what's left over is going to be our sign. So our answer is going to be a +12. I'm just going to put a positive there for emphasis. We don't have to write it. Okay? Super easy. Here's another example. Let's do it with division. Let's do -12 divided by 3. All right, so first divide it out. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay? And then let's figure out our signs. So 12 is a negative, so I'm going to put my finger over a negative. 3 is a positive, so I'm going to put my finger over a positive. And my answer is going to be a negative. So my answer is -4. It's literally that easy. Let's try another multiplication one. -2 times 3. So first multiply it out. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 is a negative. Put your finger over the negative, and 3 is a positive, so what's left over is a negative, so it's going to be a -6. Okay, we can look at even more complicated problems, so we can do something like -2 times 3 times -1. I don't know, I'm just making it up. Times -4. We'll just do multiplication, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to tackle this from the left. Okay. I do have a parenthesis here, so I want to go ahead and figure that out first. So 3 times -1 is -3, right? Or you can go 3 +3 times -1 is a 3 with a negative, right? -3, bring everything else down. Just keep multiplying from the left, right? So 2 times -3. Well, we have a negative and a negative, negative and a negative. So that is a +6. And I'm going to draw my little guy over here, just so we don't have to keep moving my page up. And I can draw him anywhere I want, right? So now I have 6 times -4. So 6 times -4, well, 6 times 4 is just 24, right? And then 6 is a positive, 4 is a negative, so that's going to be a -24. So your answer is a -24. So even if you have a long problem, it's not an issue. You just tackle it from the left, step by step, okay? Unless you have parentheses here, which I just went ahead and did first. But since we're always multiplying, it doesn't really matter. But I like to just go kind of from the left, just so you always kind of stay to the left. And then when we get into order of operations, you'll learn how we tackle things in the orders, okay? But since we're multiplying, it kind of really doesn't matter which one we do first, but we just went ahead and just did them from the left, and we did the parentheses. So we had a -24 as our answer. And so no matter how long the problem is, you just kind of tackle it step by step, 2 at a time, right? And you use Mr. Multidivision to help you. So hopefully that was somewhat clear. Give these a shot. I think these will feel a lot easier than adding and subtracting. You have a homework assignment regarding these, so go give those a shot and bring any questions you may have to our live session. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.